There is no such thing as too much makeup. Whoever tells you that, don't believe them. However, there is such a thing as too little money, so take everything I say with a grain of salt, and of course buy the same things only if you really want it. Some of the products from this haul are already on my face and the others haven't even been unpacked yet, so make sure you watch everything and I'll tell you as we go. I have 2 full bags here, so let's go straight in. First of all, why is this bag H&M? Do they make makeup? Well, they kind of do, but I don't have the makeup here. I, however, got another set of these brushes, which I showed you in another haul, and I was kind of like, yeah, they're maybe just for traveling or to keep them in my bag. They're not that good, but they were really cheap. They are good. Guys, they are good. I bought a second set. Can you believe? I don't think I've ever done that. Of course, they are affordable too, which kind of helped. I did my makeup today with these brushes, and I would say 8 out of 10, you know, not 10 out of 10, but like 8 out of 10 for that price is like, I don't know, 20 out of 10 for the regular price. So I do recommend trying them out. Give them a go. And also from H&M, well, this is kind of not makeup exactly, but also kind of beauty related. I just wanted to show that I got this hair clip, which for me is very difficult to get a clip for my, you know, very long and thick hair. I'm blessed with naturally good hair. I'm not complaining about that, don't take me wrong. However, it makes it difficult to find the hair clips sometimes. So if you have the same issue, if you just need a big hair clip, you can check them out. It's not the best one either, but it's pretty good. Then we have some fun makeup purchases. So first of all, this NYX glitter, which is a black holo, and which I already did a tutorial with. It is linked in the description, a black glitter lip for goth Christmas. Then I also got another glitter thing. So you see it is purple with kind of bluish glitters in it, and I was hoping to use it for the lips, although it's a liquid eyeshadow, and I thought it would give me this purple. Oh, by the way, it smells amazing. This purple to blue sheen. I was hoping this to be the color of the topper. Let's do a swatch of this so that you can just see. Actually, you can see some purples this way, but somehow it's not visible on the lips. It turns out that the purple is more of base and it is kind of sheer, so you only get the blue glitters. Nothing wrong with that, but just not what I was looking for, so slightly disappointed. Then I also got an eyelash glue from TF Cosmetics, and what I loved about it, I still have my old eyelash glue, but just in case I run out of it, that it actually has a brush tip, so I wasn't looking for a glue which, you know, you can just squeeze, because I don't normally use it for the lashes. I almost never use falsies, you know me. However, I do like sticking, you know, rhinestones and that kind of stuff. What is this? Oh, you know what? What is nice? They also have, I think, this kind of an eyelash applicator to pick up your eyelash. Oh, this is really cool. I haven't noticed that before. Didn't use it yet. So it is white, but it will dry down to clear. I saw the tester. And I was saying that I don't like this squeeze type because sometimes I apply rhinestones on my lips, you know, for the lip art, and sometimes I'm doing some very particular shape there, so I like to control it more, and I don't usually want to use an external brush and to wash it afterwards, you know, all that jazz. So I like when the eyelash glue comes with some kind of applicator like a sponge or a brush inside. We also have the Essence Rich Filler Base Coat for smooth nails, which works really nicely. Absolutely loving it. I did get one from Catrice before, but my son threw a little bit of silver nail polish into it, and so now it's not transparent, but pearly. Had to get another one. I obviously had to stop by Yves Rocher to see their Christmas collection, their holiday collection, and it is absolutely wonderful. So this is a hand cream that I got. It is, they have 2 scents here. So these are 2 shower gels that I got. I love this small packaging to take with me to the swimming pool because I'm a swimmer. And so the 2 scents are Milky Almonds and Juicy Berries. Both are actually wonderful. Let me just smell Juicy Berries one. Oh, like I don't know how to describe it. This is a berry scent, but it's really lovely. Like, it's not too strong, and this is like a sweet but not too sweet kind of scent. And they also have hand creams with both scents. I just picked the Milky Almonds this time. And I love the hand creams. They are really very hydrating, just very nice overall, and at the same time quite affordable. And also, when I got all this, they gave me a couple of gifts, which is this nude nail polish. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. It also has a slight pearly sheen. Maybe I'm going to use it for nail design, you know, when I need to kind of draw a face or something like that, because I don't really use nude nail polish normally, so not sure. And also they gave me this body lotion, or what is it, like, yeah, repair body lotion, which is kind of not very special scent. Like, it's slightly sweet, but it works really well. I think it works really well, and you know what? Like, a gift is always nice. A gift is a gift, right? Now let's go back to some makeup goodies. By the way, if you're loving this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now, some of this I am already wearing on my eyes today. These are 3 colorful mascaras, and these are actually the colors. I put the yellow on my bottom lashes to see how it works. It required several coats to cover the black, but it did work. I wouldn't say it gives, you know, super length and volume, and it's also kind of a little bit pasty. So the brand is called Reloius, and the mascara is called My Crush. And let me just show you the other colors real quick. So this is the green. I feel like they will work best, you know, as ombre mascara, or if you apply them on top of some base, because they might not really give a lot of length and volume on their own. Next, I have this shampoo that I always use for my hair. The brand is Collistar, and I have been using it for years. It is my absolute favorite. I have been struggling for so long to find a shampoo that would suit my scalp, because I've said that I've been blessed with long hair, but my hair scalp is pretty sensitive, and it tends to go, you know, dry and itchy from a lot of shampoos. This one is a blessing. If you have sensitive hair scalp, I do recommend looking into this one. I can't guarantee it will work for you. You know, I'm no doctor, but it is what worked for me and worked wonderfully. So this, as you understand, is obviously a repurchase. We have a gorgeous purple eye pencil from a brand called Red. It says you do you. Okay, I will. And I haven't even unpacked it yet, so let's do it. I have swatched it in the store, of course. If you want to see all of this colorful makeup in action, well, I'm trying to unpack this pencil. You can just go ahead and subscribe to this channel and even turn on the notification bell. In that case, you will never miss a colorful makeup video. You know that this channel is all about colorful makeup, right? Here it is unpacked. Wow. The color is a cool violet. The only thing I regret that it does not have a sharpener here, so I will try to use one from another pencil. And let me give you a swatch. Just using the side of the pencil here. As you can see, really pigmented, glides on well. I haven't tested it yet, but love the color. So here is how it compares to my lipsticks, just a little bit warmer. And then 2 beautiful lipsticks from the brand called 7 Days, which claims to be Italian, but I wouldn't be so sure. One of these lipsticks, it's a holo one, I remind you, is the one I'm already wearing on my lips. It looks white, but it gives this beautiful holo. Let me swatch this one. It is like a pinkish holo, so it is pretty much transparent, but gives this glow. See, this one has a like pinkish purple sheen. Let me apply it on top of the pencil so that you can tell the difference. The second color will give a blue sheen, and let me just unpack it. While I'm doing that, if by any chance you can and you want to support this channel and leave me a small tip for doing what I do and for being able to make more makeup hauls, I will be super grateful to you. If you don't want to, if you can't, that's totally fine. It's completely up to you always. And so here is the blue lipstick. Don't worry, I will be making content for you anyway. That's just if you want to show some additional support. So this one has a super blue, amazing sheen. It's also kind of a purplish blue. Well, you know I'm a sucker for purple. You can't just miss anything purple. And let me just put it here. So obviously it also depends on the angle of the light. See how it changes? I find it especially fun to use these holotopo lipsticks to complement the base colors. So for example, today I did a cool toned lippy and I used a warmer toned sheen. And for a red or a pink lippy, I would have used this blue sheen to make the lips multidimensional. You know, let me know which of these products were your favorite in the haul, which you are eyeing, which you probably would use, and which you want to know more about. Like if you want me to do a review on something, or to tell you more, or to do like some wear or application tests. By the way, you can also stop by my Instagram, THEMIRRORBEAUTY, to see the tests that I'm doing in the stories regularly. And if you want more content like this here on YouTube, you just have this playlist. Go there, check it out. You will love it, and I will meet you there. Bye. Thanks for watching.